Assalamu alaikum, my honorable teacher. Myself Abdur Rahman Tutul, 7th semester at AIB. Uh, now, our today I discuss about the presentation, which is the title is details explanation of all of the four laws of thermodynamics. So let's start with the list of content. Discuss about the introduction, which is the introduction of thermodynamics, and the first of this second of this content, which is the zeroth law of thermodynamics, which is based on the equilibrium principle, and the third content, which is the first law of thermodynamics, which is based on the energy principle, and the fourth content, which is the second law of thermodynamics, which is based on the entropy principle, and the last one, which is third law of thermodynamics, which is based on temperature principle. So now I go to the first slide, which is the introduction of thermodynamics. Now it can be defined as the study of energy, energy transformation, and its relation to matter. The analysis of thermal system is achieved though the application of the governing conservation equation, namely conservation of mass, conservation of energy. In other words, it's science which deals with the engineers process by gases and vapor, energies processed by gases and vapor, that include the conversion of this energy. Next slide, which is about the zeroth law of thermodynamics, the equilibrium principle. So the law state that when two systems reach in thermal equilibrium with a third system, then the two systems are also in thermal equilibrium with one another. In this simulation, I attached two bodies, which is A and C. Then two bodies of thermal equilibrium are at same T. Now, if observed, A and B are separately in thermal equilibrium with the third object C, then A and B are the thermal equilibrium with each other. So we show the a diagram, animation diagram, in that in this slide, which is A and B, A and B separately equilibrium with the third object C. Then A and B in thermal equilibrium each other. Now I'm going to the next slide, which is about zeroth law of thermodynamics example. There we can see that the object C, thermometer, is placed in contact with A until they achieve thermal equilibrium. The reading C is recorded. Okay, the object C is then placed in contact with object B until they achieve thermal equilibrium. The reading of C is recorded again. If two readings are the same, A and B are also the thermal equilibrium. Here in this slide, I attach a picture of this description. Now I'm going to the next slide, which is about the the first law of thermodynamics, which is based on the energy principle. This law states the increase in initial energy of a closed system is equal equal to total of energy added to the system. There have a equation which is change of internal energy del U equal to heat added to the system Q and the work done of the system. The heat added and work done subtract with equal to the changing in internal energy. The law may be stated as following: the heat of chemical work in mutual convertibly. The energy can either be created or destroyed, though can be transferred from one to another. So energy cannot be destroyed. This convert to heat energy, sound energy, and others form. So and converted. Now I am going to the next slide, which is about the first law of thermodynamics example. We can see you can see that there are two animation. The first one is converted to heat energy into chemical mechanical energy. The heat engine work in the principle. The heat energy the heat energy of the fuel is converted into chemical energy, as shown in this above image GIF. When the fuel is get inside the cylinder, it produces heat energy. Because of this heat energy, the higher temperature is created inside the cylinder. Because of this, the expression of this position take place, which is turned produce the rotational effect of as shown in above animation of this heat energy. So now the next animation, which is the converted of chemical energy into heat and sound energy. Heat and sound energy. We can see that now look, you can see the animation. The rocket contains some chemical, so we can say that is possesses chemical energy. When we ignite this rocket, the rocket goes up in the sky and boom, this chemical energy is stored in the rocket and converted into heat energy as well as the sound energy. So that the first law of thermodynamics is known, the laws of conservation of energy. Energy cannot be destroyed; it transfers from one to another form. So in this image, the second image, which is converted the chemical energy, which is converted to two form of energy, which is sound and heat energy. So okay, the next slide, which is about the second law of thermodynamics. It is impossible. The state that the second law of thermodynamics follows two common statements: this Kelvin-Planck statement and Quotient statement. The Kelvin-Planck statement is: it is impossible to construct an engine working on a cycle process whose sole purpose is to convert heat energy from a single thermal reservoir into a equivalent amount of work. No actual heat energy work on a cycle process cannot convert a whole of heat supply into machine work. Actually, the whole heat cannot be converted to the work, but the work can convert it to heat. So, and the Quotient statement: it is impossible for a self action machine working in a cycle process to transfer neat heat from a body at a lower temperature to a body at a higher temperature without the aid of an internal agency. It cannot flow itself from a cold body to above a hot body without the help of internal energy. Now you can see the equation, which is the del S total entropy. and is equal to del S the system and del S the surrounding, which is greater than of 0. That's mean the total entropy, which is definitely bigger than the 0. Okay, and you can see there have a equation equation in this picture, which is about entropy of hot body and cold body, and this total entropy greater than 0. Okay, now I'm going to the next slide, which is Kelvin Planck statement, second thermodynamics, and there have a partial motion machine of the second kind impossible, and this heat engine, and the second diagram, which is the heat engine, where the Q1, which is the higher temperature, enter the heat engine and enter the heat engine, and the lower temperature, which is passing for the heat engine, and the work done is W is equal to Q1 minus Q2. Now we know that the neat max is max of work obtained and total heat supply. Okay, there is the equation of Kelvin Planck statement, the second thermodynamics, and on the next slide, which is the Gaussian statement, second thermodynamics, which is there we can see there a heat engine and heat engine pressure and heat engine. You can see there are the heat engine. We can see there are the three type of diagram, which is heat engine and that of heat pump and their refrigerator. There and there have it, the coefficient of the heat engine is and eta is equal to QH minus QC divided by QH. There the work done, sorry, the coefficient of a heat engine, which is less than 100%, and the heat pump, which is greater than of 100%. So that is the Gaussian diagram of this separate engine, which is heat engine, heat pump and refrigerator. Now I am going to the next slide, which is the third law of thermodynamics. The entropy as of a perfect crystal of any pure substance approach 0 as the temperature absolute 0 approaches absolute 0. Now I am going to the next slide, which now I attach some picture, which is the about the third law of thermodynamics, which graphically. So thank you thank you, sir, to do the presentation about in front of you. Thank you.